Hello everyone. Probability is very easy chapter. Today I am here going to discuss or solve some problems and discuss some important thing related to probability. So let's start. So probability, that means what? Probability of any P of E, that means probability of any event. That event equal to number of favorable case favorable outcomes to that event by number of all possible outcomes. Okay, first I take an example from your book. So a die is rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 3? B number, question 7. So first one, that means getting 3. What is the probability of getting 3 if one dice is rolled? Okay, so number of all favorable number of favorable outcome. How many favorable? If we throw one dice, then only 3 favorable outcome is 3. Okay, so number of all favorable outcome is 1, and number of all possible outcomes is 6. All possible, that means either it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. If we throw one die, then the result either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So number of all possible outcome is 6 and number of favorable outcome only 3. So what is the probability? Probability of getting 3. So what is the formula? Number of favorable outcome, that means 1. Number of all possible outcome 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Very easy. D number. What is the event? The event is a prime number. So prime number, that means 2, 3, 5, 7, and since in a die only 6 up to 6 is there, so what is the number of favorable outcomes? So number of outcomes, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. So number of all favorable outcome is 3. Okay, in case of a prime number, for a prime number, number of favorable, okay, I write again here, number of favorable outcomes equal to 3, since the result is either prime number, a prime number, that means either 2 or 3 or 5, and all possible number of all possible outcomes equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the probability of that event? If we let the event is E, so probability of E, that means 3 by 6, 1 by 2. And B number, what is the question? What is the probability of rolling 7? 7 is an impossible event because 7 is not there in a die. So probability, so number of favorable outcome 0. So in case of impossible event, the probability is 0. And in case of certain event, that means, for example, if the question is what is the probability to find getting a number less than 7. Okay, if we throw a dice, then what is the probability to getting a number less than 7? So favorable outcome, that means all 1 to 6. So in this case, number of favorable outcome 6, and number of all possible outcome is also 6. So P of that event equal to 6 by 6, that means 1. So from here we can say that value of probability always less than or equal to 0, and greater than or equal to 0, and less than or equal to 1. Okay, now one concept is there, playing cards. Okay, so there are 13 playing cards. I arrange the playing cards here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After then Jack, Queen and King. There are the cards contain four types of playing cards. So these types is called diamond, and same set of 13 card. Another card is there. Color is black and symbol is heart. So this kind of cards are called spades, and this kind of cards are called clubs, and this kind of cards are called heart. Okay, so there are 4 types of cards contained in a pack of playing card. One is diamond, another is spade, another is club, and another is heart. And each and every type of cards contains 13 cards. So total number of cards in a pack is 13 into 4, that means 52. Okay, now the question is probability of, what is the probability of a card is chosen at random from a pack of ordinary playing card. What is the probability of that card? A diamond is chosen. A diamond, that means a diamond. So how many diamonds cards are there? 13. So number of favorable outcome is 13, and number of all possible outcome, that means how many cards are there in all. So it is 52. So probability of that event equal to a diamond card is chosen. Probability of a diamond card is chosen is 13 by 4, 13 by 54 or 52. So if we cut 1 by 4 is the result. Okay, 1 by 4. Next thing, a king is chosen. So out of 52 cards, there are 4 king. Okay, one king in the type of diamond, another in the type of club, another is in the type of spade, another is in the type of hearts. So 4 cards are there like king. Okay, in each and every types of cards, I told first, each and every type of cards contain same 13 card, only color and symbol are different. So there are 4 type of king in 4 set of color or 4 set of different cards. So for this question, a king is chosen. So favorable outcome 4. Number of favorable outcome 4, because there are 4 kings. One king is in diamond, another is spade, another clubs, and another heart. So number of all favorable outcome for a king is chosen is 4, and number of all possible, that means all card is 52. So probability of a king is chosen. King is chosen equal to 4 favorable 4 and total 52. That means 1 by 13. Okay, so probability 1 by 13. So when you will solve the question, you in each and every math you write first number of favorable outcome, then number of all possible outcome, then probability of that event. Okay, a black 4 is chosen. So how many black 4 is there? Black 4. So there are 4 types of 4. I not arrange the cards properly, otherwise it more easier. Okay, another 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, here 3, 4 is there. Another one types of 4 which is belong in type of clubs. So there are 4 fours in a pack of cards, and 2 are black. One black 4 is spade, and another black 4 is clubs from clubs. So number of all possible outcome is 2, and number of favorable outcome is 2, and number of all possible outcome is 52. So 1 by 26 is the result of this question. A black 4 is chosen. I think you understood. Black 4, that means only black color, and each type of card contains same number of cards and same number of cards. So 1 4 is in diamond, 1 4 in the clubs, 1 4 is in the spade, 1 4 in the hearts. So the question is black 4. So only 2 black 4 are there. So number of favorable is 2, and number of all possible outcome is 52. So the probability is 2 by 52. And D number question, a 7 of heart is chosen. So 7 of heart. So only 1 7 is there in heart. So 1 is favorable, and all possible is outcomes is 52. So answer is 1 by 52. So exercise is very easy. Try to solve by yourself, and I think it is the chapter from annual. Mistakenly I give in first day. So no problem. We solve the every chapter. We will solve the every chapter. So there is no problem. So your task, you solve the other math. I think there is no problem.